ku ri sweswiwani vanhu va le ku rhandzeni ka vunanga lebyi byi nga na switori vanhu va lava ti-lyrics ka music wa Xitsonga right now ku trenda story than the beat. You can actually come up with the best beat ka album mara kuma ku swi vanhu va nga swi tsakeli, not because it's bad, it's just because people want the story behind the beat. Because I can tell you now ni vanhu vo tala ku Prince Rhangani humesa album va lava ku ta hlamula ku yini ngopfungopfu loko i langute album ya Shonke Rhangani va lava ku ta i hlamurini na. Avuxeni maxaka ndhawu to hambanahambana vito ra mina hi mina Mandla Gingirikani va ka maxavani khisa swinene ku mi joinile hale ka Nkanelo Gingirikani kha hi famba swin'we kha hi dyerela ka Nkanelo Gingirikani hi vunanga bya Xitsonga. Namuntlha hi mi tisela vunanga lebyi taku hi Prince Rhangani kha ku vavavum hi twa ku ri i va hi khomeleni Prince Rhangani ka lembe leriwani va ku vavavum. Alles to album nga na Prince Rhangani leyiwani tele nyana leti ni nga ti landzelela ti album ta Prince Rhangani Pongo Xidumo Vavavum na tin'wana wa tinketani ti tele ti nga huma ti album. Okay, I like this. What he's doing with this, I don't know what sound is this. Is it a trombone that is playing? No, it's not the. Prince Rhangani, guys. Prince Rhangani ka Facebook i Prince Rhangani the producer or i Prince Rhangani RSA na, because kuna ti account timbirhi sweswiwani leti ni tona ku nga ri ti le ku fambeni in parallel. A ni swi tivi ku ri what is happening there or ku la ku cinciwa Facebook, a ni swi tivi. Prince Rhangani i byeleni mi cince Facebook na, because kuna account leyi nge Prince Rhangani RSA, then kuna Prince Rhangani the producer. Mina tiva leyi ya Prince Rhangani the producer leyi ni nga munghana na Prince Rhangani kona ka Facebook. I think loko ni cheka la ka ti cover ta vona la va tsarisele ra Prince Rhangani RSA, yes, ka Facebook. Iva ku Instagram va ku Prince Rhangani the producer, then ile ka Instagram run lani, then kuna le Rhangani music @gmail.com. Ani Steve ku ri bachiche ti Facebook na mbola ku chat Facebook no nombele swa manager la hosi Prince Rhangani hosi minga na. Okay, fama na manla fama na general muzika lawan ka lerwan mo itwa ko general babo kotoka chaga mafumo mabwana watu. I don't know. This song sounds like something I've heard from Joe Shiriman before. If it's not KK Shiriman. It feels like there's supposed to be a voice Joe Shiriman left when Nkanelo lela la. Honestly, what do you guys think? Look me sing in. Okay, ingomo tsaka ingomo China Prince Rhangani ingomo China le I don't know ku khumela China na makhelwane yihlanganisile makhelwane Prince Rhangani China na makhelwane I think into voice Ernest Matlala la loko ni nga hembi I think it's on China na makhelwane yeah batsalangi I think Imana hlabelela kula guys. I ne smart la voice layer ya side. I'm not sure. Okay, ngoma le pfusha makhelwane yini? Oh, ngoma le yo pfusha makhelwane yini guys? After lomu ti flateni, lomu nga renta kona, lomu ya space lomu yani. Kula ngoma tonga le tlangwa ku vuma 3-4 a.m. early midnight. Ingoma yin'wana yo pfusha na makhelwane liya. Leswi kuyona le Prince Rhangani avula kuyona la da. Okay, I just stay. Kumhleketa mina itsutsume ngopfu guys, itsutsume ngopfu. Icina na makhelwane. Lava va nga tshama lomu ina tshama khuluma atizozweni. Swa tala kuma ku vuma 4-5 vuma 3 a.m. wa pfuka twa makhelwane kha icina swinene na we pfuka icina na yona la. I joina makhelwane. Mimi cina na makhelwane. Cina na makhelwane. Aulori makhelwane. Shilofika Rhangani. Very makhelwane amle kuloreni ne most twisa swona shilofika Rhangani ku busy kwena badala ku busy ngopfu. Aulori makhelwane. Shitikisile Rhangani. Mimi cina na makhelwane. Wana manika anukunika. Ay, wata ngoma za Xitsonga tina tinhlamuselo ta tona loko ku tingisela nga tingisela kahle nga zitwa swilo la mina twa swin'wana. Guys, that comment my streamer ngoma le one ka ti Spotify na ti online stores ti kona very vachela na makhelwane lawa guys music wa Xitsonga tele ngoswo tinhlamuselo to tala mina leswi swi twaku hi swin'wana leswi maybe na n'wina mi nga swi twangu kumbe leswi mi swi twaku na n'wina a hi swi tiva hi ta twanana hi ta vulavula hi album I don't guys, you have to understand pemina no sungula kutu album le kwala na n'wina anzani yitwa yo human vita ni yisela sa swisho. I'm listening to the album. I'm just listening to the album. Anzani to nchumu. So I'm doing nchumu. Voice le one you try ngari Joe Shirman mara aya Joe Shirman honestly speaking you try ngari voice Joe Shirmani and mulanga loko ke ni yena Prince Rhangani nga swi endla 100% kudos because this song sounds like it lava Joe Shirman andla sweswiya mara I Joe Shirman like I imbela swilo guys mingan kaneta lana it's him, it's Prince Rhangani imbela swilo leswiya i swi endla yesh papa penny papa penny yeah because siniron baba featuring Nesmatlala na General Muzika I think batari na General la ka album li one bago ahi penny Ozono shibona Prince Rhangani kha performance simlerwana a stage ni xibadlela nyuku xio yeve baba yengani baku yengani shirimani abu shirimani mete posti abu mete post general abu general bilu yanga vahlaya na Mr Post vahlaya Joe Shirimani Generali na Penny. Yeah, bana. Okay. This is good. This is sounding good. I think I like this song. Oh, Sandlen. Tika duk inoa. Show my Joes. I know, Prince Rhangani utirhile ka album leyi, honestly speaking, na swi tiva hi ta vulavula hi album leyi, la vulavula hi yona, Zingeza chaya, a hi tweni ku a hi tleli, fast. Album leyiwani yi ndliwe na ti-tracks ta 12, a ti lehangi, it looks like ku hava ti-remix lawani, a hi tleli. Yo, nga ri ni ta batla nyuku moskeni mina la. Okay, vala ku ya va tenga mnduku nampundzu ri xile, ve le tigigini, va ta fika va holuswa swa bona mpundzu hi mhani va le mutini. Okay, mina na hinda ta tsakisa simetwana. N'wamanyikanyika, n'wana wa manyikanyika, a ni ku nyika, n'wana wa manyikanyika, nyika. Anda hlamala ku ri hava mhaka wo faka mchisi, mara ni twa swin'wana ve ri ni ta ku marineta, timarinete kunene. Okay. Swa twala ku swi ya kwini, ti-beat ti kona ti le ku nandziheni simetwani. La ku vulavula hi album leyiwa, mara ra ku hatla ni hindza ka madleke. Ku track number 6 leyiwani. Tinsimu ku fambela na mabyala leswi. Mara a swi tiva ku a vuli madleke ma straight ne. Swi tele leswi vulavuriwaka lawani. Na swi tiva hey, loko mi ze vulavula hi madleke n'wina tinkambi ta Xitsonga vulavula hi mabyala kumbe mafole, a swi ta ku a mi vuli fole na vuli mabyala. Se hi mi dyondzisi. Kuni ku enoa. Hi me papa Rulani ka ku enoa. Chisa xifuva ka ku enoa. A kahle papa Rulani a fambela straight. Hi guys, I stuck over lovely maka mabyala hina la. Maritaba, it's a good album. Honestly speaking, I love this. I don't know what you call this thing. This distort sound. I like it, you know, and it looks like Prince Rhangani ingenisa ngopfu ka lembe lerwani sound liya ya ntsakisa mina. Ni rhandza ngopfu sound yo taniya ka music wa Xitsonga. Ni vona ku ri yena ngopfu a swi tirhisaka swilo leswiya swo ngesa sound liya distortion. I don't know what you call that sound. I know, ku busy ngopfu a va vulavuli hi madleke lava pativi. Swi vulavula ka Gaza. Ta mi byela, hi ta vulavula hi album leyi fast. I'm trying to rush. Kutiputa varhangani, kutiputa. No, no vele Rhangani a hi munhu wa tihuwa guys a hi veni honest loko va la ku va honest Rhangani a swa tihuwa a xi swi rhandzi ngopfu leswi swa tihuwa Rhangani a hi munhu wa tihuwa Rhangani munhu o tindlela ku vanhu va tsaka I wish I could be enough to travel lot. You got jealous, so guys, this part. Something like that. Hi, this is a good album, guys. This is actually a very listenable song, chilled song. I think you don't know ro hola ka album li one. And then it's like about the slow jam ka album li. Thank God. Jesus Christ. We are saved from the slow jam disease or whatever it's called. We are back to Nzumba now. Like I know the song. Okay, I like it. I'm liking what I'm hearing. Teka. This song is called Teka. What's happening?
Just play.
Apparently I must just play it. Exactly. It's Vavavoom. Why are they calling it Teka when it's Vavavoom? Isn't it supposed to be a remix or something like that? I haven't the remix once. You go. Recently, Richard Fana na Vavavoom, track number 1. Later on, track number 9. Could have 12 tracks now. I've remix once because it's still featuring general musica. Va-va-voom. Is it like a second tenor that's being used there? Va-va-va-va-voom. Va-va-va-va-voom. Then va-va-va-va-voom. Va-va-va-va-voom. Va-va. This is like a proper singing. Okay, the parts, like parts kuna the bass, tenor, soprano, alto. No, second tenor, first tenor sometimes. So, wow. Usually when we impela voice yabona banga apply the tune that the parts. Look, ingisela choral music or opera. Va 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 voom. 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 I feel like this song similar bewine mantu var loser. My darling, and I feel like just because of Josh Rumala, I feel like this part of Josh Rumala, even though Rhangani arranges us on, she fit up with Josh Ruman voice liar. He voice liar. If I can't get it the way I can get a saxon, and then I know sola ku discredit the Prince Rhangani because Prince Rhangani album li guys. Let's be honest. I'll talk about it. Mara la. Honestly speaking, akufuna kuwena voice le yes ya original le ayifeningi ni la ya Joe because literally but the saxon or even Mr. Post or even Mapele, for example. It could have been a nice collab to put that voice with that kind of maimbelela mamongajela makamangenelela. Because this is a very nice beat. Shinjin bitle rangan. Bitle shinjin. Straight. Okay. I know what happened to this album. I'll talk about it quickly. Maybe Nika. Maybe we won't take a Nika. Because I okay, even Selemete. This beat. This beat, guys. Rakash kwati mus. Yo. Bitle one, guys. Yo. Bitle one. Selemete. No. Anir undermine Sineruan. Ding sala bitle. Kwa selesia. Okay, basu selesia means randaglis. This part layers of that thing adds a lot of spice. Listen to it. If even that which I feel like this beat. Bitle one. Okay, bitle one, guys. That intro, that from the 0 second to 20 second, this is the song. I feel like this should have been the song throughout. Let me try to listen to the other side. Maybe ananzanito.
Many call me the bulldog. Many call me the bulldog. Some call me the pitbull.
Okay, it does come back, but not in that richness. Yeswa ku simlela artava rivena opportunity ya ku ri va ruwela ka xitayili xa xavo Salani, the producer, ruwela ka xitayili xa xavo Slicker, xitayili xa xava DJ Selzo, you know, xitayili xa matlangelo lama xgaza dance kumbe xa the remix. This song qualifies in terms of the beat making. Because what they did in that intro, the first 20 seconds of the song, for me, that's magical. I wish it had continued and then the bass. That when I say the bass, I mean the foundation of that song. Oh, okay. I have a lot of things to say about this album. Okay, let me quickly move into the last song actually. You guys will go and listen to it. Okay. I get it. Okay, I get it. Okay, I get it. Prince Rhangani, I get it. Let me go back to Vavavoom, actually. Let me go back to Vavavoom. I just want to have Vavavoom there as the title track. Guys, what they did in this album is this. Okay, this is what Prince Rhangani did. Number one, Prince Rhangani, when he created this album, it looks like itere angatrang na wana vanla patrak na wana mkarotal. Look in angta ba pongo album. You know, tapon me that takwela hela krita itere na Joe Shiriman and the atwala kahle in terms of arrangement. Yes, I feel like arrangement, yeah, Prince Rhangani this time around. Oh, you know, you guys know I love Prince Rhangani. He's my favorite Xitsonga musician right now. He's the guy that I actually like. And then again, in his feet, I love Prince Rhangani. He's my guy. And even I love Prince Rhangani's music. Okay, this album is good. I'll talk about the goodness of the album, but can I mention things that didn't work in the album? Then I'll talk about the things that worked. Okay, first, number one, the arrangement. There's your album Lewani. It's very compromised, very, very, very compromised because Prince Rhangani came up with nice beats, very nice beats, ne? Then the arrangement the voice tifike ti hangalaka like kuma kuna leswaku ku yimbeleriwa verse then ku hlabelela ku hlwela ku va na like maybe 4 bars before ku nghena and usually ku fanele ku ve ku after the verse ku nghena ku hlabelela swi nga nyikani too much of a break swi endla ku risimu ri hangalaka. I feel like lyrically, okay, not really lyrically, arrangement wise for voices like the marito leswi ma nga paketerisa swona the verses swi hangalakini as it's not compact. Yeah, I think that's the word. Like I look Nkanelo swi yingisela ntwingari everything is like swi hangalakini as compact. This album needed to be compact yi pfuna ku risimu ri nga bori and ri nga dina vanhu ne. The beats leta nga tindlala Prince Rhangani, it's very magnificent 100%, but the arrangement that the verses leswi va nga swi yimbelisa swona swi ka swi hangalaka. Number two, things that did not work okay, yeah, maybe let me mention it kuba but people have a choice to work with whoever they want to work with, ne? But I feel like look at na Dr. Joe Shiriman, it would have been different because atabang funini kuba leswan shuvula at the previous point their compactness ku swinga hangalaki swi va na arrangement ya yo wupfa like raw, like this thing is good but it's shangalakini and this is the point liya itakalini vulavula ku yona ku loko ku va na Joe Shiriman, it will have helped kumbe Mr. Post, because Mr. Post in terms of arrangement he's very good, he's very, very good. What works, what doesn't work, and then so kuba Prince Rhangani atere maybe not the yes man ka this album she compromise the album liwa. Number 3, leswi nga loko ni yingisela swilo leswiwani eku Prince Rhangani is funny that he actually went and sing that part Leah Ifeni Mbele Joe. He voiced Joe Shiriman. That's what he did. Got most of the songs. But I feel like because now and this is the part, lyrics. So this album doesn't have a lot of lyrics. Tingomleto total atina marito mutala in terms of kuimbelela. Like what is the story? And story sungula kwini shelela kwini the climax and shelela kwini so story sha tinsimu letwani maybe mago swisotala swa hangalakini so swi twale ngari akuna ku continuity leyi nga kona ka story leswi nga la swi songwriting kahle I feel like it's part of songwriting rather than not even arrangement. Like songwriting yiva ba. And I think that's, and Shingan contributors who showed a negative about this album, which is a very good album in terms of beats. I'm not even going to talk about the cover, you know, like it's well produced in terms of beat making. Mara, the voices, the way tinga paketerisa swona swi hangalakini, then swi na ku a ku na ti-lyrics to tala leti ti nga kona. Like, what is the story? What story are you telling about the song? You know, swi fika swi va compromised. Swi compromise the album, swilo leswiya. And it's unfortunate, which may be part of maybe my fourth point, ku ri sweswiwani vanhu va le ku rhandzeni ka vunanga lebyi byi nga na switori. Vanhu va lava ti-lyrics ka music wa Xitsonga right now ku trenda story than the beat. You can actually come up with the best beat ka album, mara kuma ku vanhu va nga swi tsakeli. Not because it's bad, it's just because people want the story behind the beat, because music ku tsakisa ngopfu loko u fika u endla beat, then now you find the right story for the beat. What story are you telling? So this comes to the songwriting. You know, it's compromised because the stories are not there. Which I will talk about later. Maybe this is the sort of a posture Prince Rhangani choose for this album for reasons we don't know. Prince Rhangani I think this is the song yeah, Prince Rhangani, all those things he want to tell a story about this song. Prince Rhangani. So Gaza is one song lay aitarizoni tangup na Vatsonga. With the same beats, ne? Marakundu story so finally Shavan Vakas Gaza varanda guys. Unfortunately, varanda chele. Ngoka music law Prince Rhangani, Josh Remani, Mr. Post, Ben Mangani, that music law and Zumba, but Mataranda last chele, vala talk we rini marito. They don't care about the beats. Unfortunately. We are living in a different era. Right now, Vanwaka Gaza right now, they don't care about the beats. Funny beat, the lyrics. And this album, unfortunately, my favorite producer, Prince Rhangani, did not have lyrics in terms of to match the beats that he made or created at the corner, the lyrics, which is quite unfortunate, you know. Yeah. It's quite unfortunate. The feature general music is good because it is a voice it sounds different, you know. Mara in terms of arrangement, you know, it's bringing the album down. What worked in the album? This what worked about the album. The album he created beat to saseka to nandi yashnene to chinisa. The beat letting and la chinisa guys. Kungo bona sweswi swi vula swa lana la ku ri loko ku va ko hlanganisa marito mo karhi swi jeliwa, because music creation yi tsakisa loko I endle beat kumbe I endla beat, then you find a story that is going to match the beat. That is where the music it gets interesting. You find you write the music, then now you must find the song, the lyrics for that thing. That's what makes it so interesting. And Joshua Kagaza, one of the Randela Vula. Yeah, it works. People are going to dance about this because it's dance music. Music chinisa. Mara Kagaza right now Randela jail. So unfortunately, and the Prince Rhangani is not in that phase. Angeleka stage shone he's trying to just stay away from Shichele. It is music because probably he's in a happy space and he want to reflect his current state of mind, which is happiness. And when Bagagaza Trandela Chele, unfortunately, so Singanda compromise because of that. But not Trandela Chele. So Shichela Ashkona album Leo. It's so funny that Hemakuka Chele then Shindlak album never compromised. It's actually a very funny comment I have ever made. It's just an observation. It's an observation I've made. But randela swona swicele. Balava if ki hlamula swilo, if ki bifa, not really bifa. I can tell you now, but what I look Prince Rhangani on my album, wala utok ita hlamula ku yin. Ngomgolo inang te album ya Shonke Rhangani, wala utok ihlamurini na. Seshikuma kuhlang Prince Rhangani hlamlang. Ahlamlang, chiri chava swula. Swula saka Gaza, chiri kuzeke show we. Vele Prince Rhangani, honestly speaking, vanhu lava tivaka Prince Rhangani ai munhu tuwa. Eish guys, munhu un'wana guys, yo, that guy, shame, God bless him. So because of that, unfortunately, she compromised the album again. Because this is the thing. Look, in Munanta music, you make music for you, good. Mara, you need to make music for the fans. Yes, they're going to dance, but what are they going to say when they're dancing? Say, like, what message is accompanied by the dance? These days, unfortunately, they want to say something. Tisimta to tseketsela, to bifa, to khobolela, but baranda sweswiya, ku khobolela makhelwane, ku tseketsela makhelwane, ku bombisela vanhu, bala tisimta to bombisela vanhu, sweswani swijikile, vutomi byi jiki sweswo taniya va rhandza sweswo taniya leswaku hi fika hi cina vo ti nga ri swibi vanhu va ta ku a swibi swilo leswiwani. I can bet with my fat ass. Vataku aswilo leswa aswibi vanhu. And the mental tiba the beat leti nga ndwala. And if that Vavavum song teka, these are great songs. But unfortunately, beat making 100%. It could have been better, you know. Some of the beats like she wasted. It's wasted. So that's my take about this album. I don't know what Prince Rhangani can do. You know, it's either you have to find people who are going to write the songs and then tell the story and then make the stories to be compact. That is going to work, you know, than to just rely on the dancing. I'm in a happy space, fine. But at the same time, people are not every, you as an artist could be in a happy space. Wenga va ri ka ndhawu ya kahle yo tsaka ya ku itsakile la ku celebrate la ku tsaka na vanhu, mara not everybody is on that space. Van'wana vele ku holweni makhelwana, van'wana vele ku bombiseleni na makhelwana, van'wana vele ku bombiseleni na vanghana, van'wana va tshikiwini, van'wana va ndliwe yini leswaku vutomi switori swa vutomi swi tele leswi a swi ta va swi tirhisiwini ka album leyiwani to push the album. Mara a swi tirhisiwangi switori leswi swi khedzakedzana swa vutomi. You know, vutomi is like, it's up and down. Some people are celebrating, some people are not celebrating. Some people are just here, some people are going up. Village gangin, mara give them hope, you know. So the album didn't do that, unfortunately. Whew. I never thought I would talk about Prince Rhangani like this, but I'm being honest, guys. I love Prince Rhangani. The truth have to be said. Lyrically, she album yans. So beat making 100%. I'll give this album. And another thing, and I can blame Ben Mangana Solumakam G1 for this thing. Because of the fact that they oversing. They sing and from verse 1, from minute number 1 to minute number 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 5 minutes and a half. The simri imbelo 5 minutes inga stwankure linkasre asakure 5 minutes neria, because they were singing all the time. So over singing rindle ku na hi tolovela swa over singing, hi tolovela ku munhu fana adzumba kha imbelela until yes kuna the break here and there singela mafongo rinchicha, then come back to singing. So because Prince doesn't do that, and even if he does, look imbela verse kuhlavela kutanza nyana swa delay and it's not compact. My issue with this album is that lyrics could have worked, whatever he did there could have worked had he made these words to be hlangana tingahangalaki. Verse, then kuyima, then ngena lero hlavela, then yima. So swa ku risimu ri hangalaka in terms of the lyrical content swi endleka ri wu va hava ti-lyrics ku ri ku ti kona ti yo hangalaka. It's interesting how people listen to music these days. We nga endla swilo twi nga ri i swibini mara kuma ku hikuva mapakelelo ya wena arrangement ya wena if ka endla swilo leswi a wu swi endle kahle swi endla hi nga ri swi hangalakile. Ta kota n'wi Prince a nga xi vona video leyi. Mara hey guys, let's be honest guys, I love Prince Rhangani, he knows that. I also love this album. I'll be dancing to it myself because most of the songs there are very nice in terms of beat making, but it could have been better. This album could have been better had there been that compactness. Guys, I think I've repeated myself 12,000 times. Munfamba mina legere. Famba man vavavum. Dikwid. Kubishani mon bateka ke. Jina makhelwana. Okay, mo ipa aheke. Lava part le ya
Papa penny penny penny
It sounds like a song that I know somewhere. I don't know. Commissioner Mr. Poster, Ben Mangani, Joe Shiriman, I Steve. Guys, look criminal again, can look at Dors Kutsilikanyora, I'm testing Totora, Salam Kate, Midpina, and Nkanelo Gingirikani, Mingakayele, look Mish, Quata Mingatul, the advertisement. Subscriber and also hit that notification bell look in the show and I'm tsuki mititimela maselenza ku hey naswo and also indicate the bell kuri hey me va kahle mi nga titimela. Again can look at Dors Kutsilikanyora, I'm testing Totora. Salute mi nga titimeli.